When was the first time you heard the story?
Very long back. I think has to be right after Jai Hai or before that. I'm not sure, but some 2023, I'd imagine. Or yeah.
Okay. From
Yeah.
then it started? Like
It took some time, but yeah, I think it started, and then we had to. There were multiple times with this shoot, especially. We had a bunch of difficulties with illnesses, with
Yes.
with just the terrain being so difficult, with like the environment not being conducive. So a bunch of things happened over the course of the time that we had to shoot. So we packed up multiple times, and so it's been on for a really long time. But maybe it's a good thing. I really feel like we've traveled for this is half a travel film, and I really feel like I've traveled with these bunch of people for so long.
We can see you driving them
Yes.
crazily to the mountain.
I didn't drive before this film. I
Uh-huh.
learned to drive just before.
Acha. Okay.
Yeah, I think those were the things that I really got freaked out with when I heard the story. I was like, "Are you sure Ami has to be the driver?" And
How did you manage then? Do you know to drive the normal car?
I had a license, but it's some people just don't drive around. I'm one of those. I had a proper fear of the road. So when this came, I was like, okay, there's nothing else that I will break this fear for than for a film to play a character.
Wow.
So it was great. So I asked for this, the same vehicle that we're going to drive, and I did like a few days of just driving that around all of Kochi.
You tested yourself.
Yeah, that was my thing. Anywhere I had to go, I was like, just figure it out, take the car, get out. So I did that for some time. And then I think the stress of more than just driving, I think driving and being able to manage this language. And Ami is a really feisty, almost angsty person. She's talking all the time. And, in Malayalam, most of my films I have very few dialogues. Most of my characters have been pretty quiet compared to Ami.
Okay.
So when I had to do this, I was like, she talks so fast and she's angry. So I really didn't want to be compromising on the speed at which she's speaking and things like that. And especially there are so many important scenes in the car and up the hills that I was just like, I better get comfortable with the scenes and with my driving, that it doesn't bother me and that I'm present during the scene.
Did you get any suggestions from senior actor Sangeeta Garu or
Absolutely.
your friend?
Both of them were just constantly looking out for me in the car, and every time, like I said, like they both were, because they're familiar with the language, with the industry, and because they're such wonderful people. They really like almost just took me in. Like it was, I think I felt at home because of how much both of them felt at home here, and I think that's got a large part to do with how
Did they
comfortable
feel safe by sitting near
I mean,
beside you?
I'm sure they were freaking out inside, but they never let me know that. But Sangeeta ma'am drives, so she would constantly like, slowly, fast, don't go that side, don't. She would tell me, give me instructions like that.
Oh my
But
God.
but like it was, I don't know. Anupama was also saying the other day, she's like, it feels like, it just felt like you will figure it out. And I was like, I don't know on what basis you trusted me with this, because we were really on like really uphill.
We saw the trailer and it
yeah.
was like freaking us also by
Yeah.
watching it. Like